EnterprisingYou is a fully funded programme of business support where clients can come on programme and access one-to-one support from a business advisor, and they can also access fully funded workshops to help with their business and implement new strategies for the business.
We're there to provide a range of support for people who are attempting to grow their small business or wanting to create a more stable income as a self-employed person.
So to anyone that's considering applying for EnterprisingYou, I'd just say go for it. We've helped businesses across Greater Manchester, and we've seen lots of them really flourish since they've been on the programme. It's an amazing programme of free government funded support, so it's really unique.
Being self-employed can be a very lonely place. Sometimes all the pressure is on you, you own the business, and it's good to know that there's somebody that can work with you. So we don't own people's businesses, we don't manage people's businesses, we don't walk in their shoes, but what we can do and what we endeavour to do is to walk beside them.